Hey, so I wanted to demonstrate you a pretty extreme version of a blown head gasket. So I have this 92 Caravan that came in, and it came in with the belt flung off of it because the water pump had failed. And in the process of us looking at it, it didn't have a singular drop of coolant in it. So we tried to fill the cooling system up to try to see where the coolant was going. The radiator is pretty small on this, and you can see I have a burp bottle on this. When I go to crank it, you'll see how extremely blown the head gasket is. So you can see just by cranking it with the starter motor, we're getting a bunch of combustion pressure coming out through the radiator. Now looking at the oil on this, the oil doesn't show any signs of coolant getting into it. It's about a quart low and very dark. My guess is that we either have a pretty major crack in the block, or like the head is just that warped. Now with there being no coolant in the van whatsoever, more than likely it can be a combination of them. And this being an older van and kind of on its last legs, we could get another motor for it, but not probably cost effective to rebuild it. But you can kind of see the cooling system's now going back down, but yeah, it's got a severely blown head gasket causing the cooling system to basically geyser up and erupt. So this one probably won't be fixed, so there won't be a conclusion to this one on how this one worked out. It's more than likely gonna leave. Just wanted to show that. Thanks for watching.